A fake friend kills faster than a rat poison. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're seeing my video for the first time, thank you. You're welcome to my space. I am Chinimoni, and if you've not subscribed, please hit the bell notification to always be the first to get an exclusive video from me. Back to our topic of discussion today. One of my friends met me today and was like, Chini, I have something I want to share. I've been meaning to share this with somebody so that my heart can reduce. This my friend, her husband is abroad, yes, and her husband has stayed abroad for like 5 years now, leaving her and the children. She had like 5 boys in her house, which she gave birth for the husband. Now, this husband of 5 years hasn't come back at all. Getting to 6 years now, she has been alone, waiting for the husband, being a faithful wife. But all of a sudden, human being became human. Life happened to her. Now, she had a friend that she trusted so much. See, I will advise anybody listening to this my voice that you don't trust anybody, no matter anybody it is, be it your friend, be it whoever. You don't have to trust people so much that you confide so much on them. So this my friend now met with her friend and told her that, you know, I trust you so much. You have been my friend for a very long time, and I have something bothering me that I needed to share with you. You know, my husband has been away for so many years now, and as a human being and as a young vibrant woman, which I am, I need a man. I need a man that can make me feel like a woman again. I am losing it inside. I am losing it. So the friend now advised, why don't you get a help? Why don't you get a libido that can help you? The lady now said no, that she doesn't want an artificial libido, that she wants a real man. Not knowing that the friend that she's confiding on is so jealous about her. One, her husband has money and the husband is abroad. This woman that her husband is not around, she lacks nothing, and this her friend has been so jealous about her, but this woman didn't notice, she didn't see this. So after confiding on her friend, then the friend now acted as a good friend, now told her that, okay, no problem, if this is what you want, then let me help you. Let me arrange a person. I know somebody that can help you do this very well, because I know that you are not a wayward type and you wouldn't know anybody. You can't just go and pick any random person to help you out with this. So I have a very good person that can help you do this. This my friend that was telling me this was now like, okay, all right, thank you very much. That's why I always trust you for things that is bothering me that I know you can help me about. So this person now arranged a guy for this lady. They planned to meet at a hotel, yes. Then, not knowing that this her friend has also gone to tell the guy that she arranged to make a video on them making out. Hi God, people are so wicked. So she has also gone back to pay the guy. This guy is nothing close to her friend. This guy is just a hired person that she hired to come do this with this lady. The lady now said, okay, after all the arrangement has been made, she accepted, because this is what she really wanted. She accepted, and the whole thing started. Now, on the fateful day that the whole thing is going to go down, she optioned to look after her children for her, so she could go and have her way. So after then, the lady felt good. After making out with this guy, she felt good. Then later on, this guy now sent the video of whatever thing that they have made to this person that paid her. The friend now held on to this video, waiting on the day that the husband of this woman will come back. So on one fateful day, this her friend now started blackmailing her with all those videos. This friend that was telling me this was now shocked. She was like, how did you get this video? Oh, Did you pay this guy to do this to me? This, that. It escalated. The lady was now demanding for a very huge amount of money. If not, she would tell the husband. Meanwhile, while she was looking after her children on that fateful day, she actually asked the younger, the oldest son of that lady to give her the dad's number. So this lady is also holding on to the man's number, that if this her friend didn't give her the money she's requesting, that she's going to send this video to the husband. And this lady cried. This lady was crying, telling me this. She cried. So please, my YouTube family, in your opinion, what do you think that this lady should do? Should she go ahead and tell her husband to save herself from this stress before this lady tells the husband herself? Thank you guys for